In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order DoorDash for someone else. Whether you're sending dinner to a friend, a family member, or a coworker, the process is simple once you know what to tap and where to look. First, open DoorDash on your phone or head to DoorDash.com in a browser and log into your account. Being signed in ensures your payment method, past orders, and notifications work smoothly throughout the delivery. Next, change the delivery address to the recipient's location. This is the most important step. Tap the address bar at the top of the screen, then carefully enter the full address for where the food should be delivered, including any apartment number, building name, or access code if applicable. Double-check the map pin and confirm the city and zip code so you're browsing restaurants near them, not near you. Getting this right up front will prevent delays and wrong area menus later. Now browse restaurants in their area. You'll see options and delivery times that match the address you just set. You can use filters for cuisine types, price, or dietary preferences if you know them. Open a restaurant, read a quick description, and check prep and delivery estimates. Select the items you want, customize options like size or toppings, and tap Add to Cart. If the recipient has any allergies or preferences, add those notes on the item where customization is offered. When you're ready, go to checkout. Review the entire order. Items, quantities, special instructions, fees, and, most importantly, the delivery address at the top. This is also a good moment to add clear delivery instructions, such as leave at door or details about a gate or buzzer, so the driver can find the right spot without needing to call. Add your payment method and choose a tip for the driver here. Tipping at checkout helps ensure prompt service. Finally, place the order. Tap Place Order and you'll see a confirmation screen. From there, track the delivery in real time. You'll watch the order move from the restaurant to the driver and on to the recipient. Keep your notifications on in case the driver or DoorDash needs clarification. You can also let the recipient know food is on the way and share the ETA so they're ready to receive it. That's all there is to it. Set the address first, choose the food, review carefully, pay, and place the order, then track it to the finish.